Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, today is Friday, but today it's actually Thursday for me. It's Thursday night. I just got out of Bible study, and I thought, well, since I wore this to church tonight, I might as well go ahead and show it to you guys. And then I can just go ahead and just record this tonight, and then I'll get up Friday morning and I will edit my video before I go get my grandson for the day. And tomorrow around 1 o'clock, I'll be going to see the new Downton Abbey movie. As you know, I said well, I don't know if I did that in my 23 non-yarny things. It is just my favorite show to watch. It was a series. I loved every minute of it. I saw the first movie, and now the second movie's coming out. So I am going to go see that tomorrow. I have my popcorn bucket ready. If you have a bucket, you get the popcorn's only like $4.50. So I'm bringing that with me tomorrow. And yeah, I'm going to go and enjoy Downton Abbey. So let's go ahead and see this cardigan I've got on. I don't know how much of this you can see, but there it is. It is the same as my simple summer cardigan. I just did, instead of 3 triple crochets, instead of 3 triple crochets and chain 3, I did 2 double crochets and chain 2, and then skip 2. So that's really all. I'm thinking about going ahead and writing this up, but it really is the same as the simple summer cardigan. That's just really the only difference. And then the way I did the sleeves, I just did 2 rows. Since it ended with a single crochet row right there, it was so easy. I just went right along with it. There was nothing to it. Okay, so let me show you what I have next. For this, I used a J hook, and I used a J hook, and then for the edging, I went down to an H hook. That's right, J hook for the body, and then for the edging, a H hook. But I used Burnett Softy Cotton is the name of it. And it took 4 of these. Well, wait a minute. 3 of these. This is one of them. So it took 3 of these is what it took. And it's Burnett Softy Cotton, 254 yards, and the color is golden. And it should be 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, or is it polyester? No, yeah, 40% acrylic. And it's a 3 light. So yeah, it took 3 of these. And I'm actually working on the light pink one now. So, thanks to Rose Likes to Crochet, I donated some stuff, got my name drawn, and I won a bag. And I love this bag. I showed this in yesterday's video, but I will go ahead and show you again. I don't have that much done. Actually, I'm not sure if I got any more done after showing the video, because then my husband came pretty much right after that. Okay, so this is the one that I was working on in the car. That's how much I have done of this. And instead of single crochets, I did half double crochets, and I did triple crochets. So it's the same as this, but triple in place of double, halves in place of single. Same exact thing. And it's going to be 2 panels. The same J hook, and I'm using this cream cotton right here from Loops and Thread. It's a medium 4-weight. So this cotton feels good. It's soft. It is 87% cotton, 13% nylon. Okay, so let me show you the clip of my Ipsy bag. And by the way, this is the bag. And if you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I do have a referral link, and I will leave it down below. They have 3 options of monthly subscriptions that you can subscribe to get the makeup. The one that I used to get was the pouch, and they gave you 5 samples a month, and it was really cool. It's like $13 a month, and I did that for I don't know how many years, long time. Then I just recently switched over, probably the last 4 or 5 months, to the full-size products. And when you do that, you get to, on the 2nd of every month, you get to pick 3 of your 5 they give you choices, you know, like, I don't know, maybe 10 items, and you can pick one out of the 10, and then you go to the next item and do the same thing, then the next item, do the same thing, and then 2 of them they automatically give you. You don't have a choice in. But when you do the first one, the 13, I did that for years, and I just, you know, whatever they sent me is what they sent me. Well, this one's a little bit different. If you can catch it on the second, don't forget it. Otherwise, you know, they just send you, and that's fine too, because it's always good stuff. So, you know, you have like a questionnaire that you fill out, and they kind of give you stuff based on your questionnaire. Like, my color lipstick is mauve, so they're not going to send me deep red lipstick, you know, stuff like that. But anyway, so this was the bag for this month, and it is so pretty. I think that the smaller bag is this same design as well, because my niece still gets that one, and she sent a picture of hers, and it was really pretty. Okay, so I wanted to jump on here real quick and show you my Ipsy. These are the 5 items that came in this month's bag. Let's see, I got some textured air, that's hairspray. I got spray antioxidant, spray toner. I got some hydrate primer. I love primer. And some lipstick, a brush, and this really pretty drawstring bag. Just so pretty. Okay, so over here, I did a few little add-ons where I paid like $3.50 for some of these. So I bought this little bag right here. And I bought some lip liner, which I love that. It's the exact color I was needing. I bought this. This is some perfume, actually. It smells really good. And this is some lipstick. And I bought this little hair thing. And I bought this to put on my hair for whenever I'm doing my face cleaning at night. So, yeah, that's all the things that I got in my Ipsy bag for this month. There's my name, the Ipsy bag. And as you know, I'm the owner of Adoring Doll Clothes. So here is the pattern that I just put out. This is Batgirl. She's got her little spikes and stuff going, got her little boots and stuff, and got her little mask. Well, this pattern went out yesterday, and there is a 10% coupon if you want this pattern, 10% off till the 26th, and it's Batgirl 10. That's the coupon code. Just put that in at the checkout. I'll leave the link below to my patterns. Oh, and I keep forgetting, I do have flash drives. Okay, so talking about patterns, here's my next one. I've already got it all drawn out. Ursula. I thought it's going to be so pretty. And I actually have the pattern after that. So I can't remember who it was that said that they're really looking forward to this one. And I'm glad, because I've got it drawn out. So that is next. It's the Harry Potter and Harmony. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing the name right. But anyway, there's all the pieces. So be looking forward to that. That ought to be a lot of fun. So yeah, that's the 2 patterns that I'm working on next. If there's something that you'd like to see me make in the doll clothes patterns, just shoot me an email. My email is below, and I'll see what I can come up with, you know, to fix something. The Batgirl was actually a request that I make that. And so yeah, just send me an email. So I have my basket here, all with Ursula's stuff in it. Here, I've already started on it. That's the first part of the dress. And anyway, I should have that done really quick. So be sure and look for that the 1st of next week. The next thing I have is, oh, let me show you the cardigan behind me real quick. Okay, so I wanted to show you, I finally finished it. I did add some length to it. Yay, I'm so excited. Yes, it is so nice. This is, a lot of you are asking, well, what did you not like about it? Well, I didn't like having to fold this over. I mean, it's not bad though, but it's not the look I wanted. But it's okay. It does do me okay. I've already worn it out. Not with this longer length though. But let me see. Let me move my whip carp. There it is. There it is. I got a nice long length on that. I love this. Yep. I got the length I wanted. And look at the hose. Oh my gosh. Triple crochet, guys. That's triple crochet. Will give you those big holes like that. You talking about some air coming in when I'm wearing this in the summertime. I'm going to love this. Okay, so I used 2.5 on this one. This is 24/7 cotton. It's succulent. It is a medium full weight, 186 yards in this, 100% mercerized cotton. Machine wash and dryable. So this is the first thing I've ever made with this yarn. And I have to say, I really like it. Yep, I like it. I was going to show you the newest drink I found. Strawberry lemonade. And there's one that's peach mango. These are about $1.25. You can get them at Walmart, Dollar General, whatever. There's like 20 calories in this thing. And it's so good. I love this. The peach mango is actually my favorite. And then I had found these. Look at that. White Reese's peanut butter cups. You guys know how much I like my Reese's. Well, they have white ones too. So far, I've eaten one. It's really good. I liked it. Okay, as you can tell, I'm in love with the cardigan. Oh my gosh, it's going to be one of my favorite ones to wear. Okay, so the next thing is I did get my Annie's Love to Crochet kit, and this is what came in it. It says Lovely Lapgan. I like it. It's a nice neutral color. And so this is the yarn that they sent me. Annie's, that's the yarn. Let's see. I don't think I've opened this yet. Nope, because I just tore the tag. Okay, so it's like this right here. Right there. Yep, that ought to be nice to work with. Yep. It's going to be nice and soft, I can tell you that. So I am looking forward to making this. It's a 5 bulky, 80% acrylic, 20% nylon. 270 yards, and so I got 2 of these. So if you're interested in the Annie's Crochet Kit Club, this one is the Love to Crochet. I made the gnome, I've made the vest, and now I'm fixing to be making a lapgan. And I have to say, I love the Annie's Love to Crochet. I love it so much. And I love the fact that my pattern is always there. If I lose it, if I misplace it, I just pull the pattern up online. They have a left and right-handed video tutorial in case I don't understand part of the pattern or something. I can just go watch it. I just love it. So this one is the Annie's Love to Crochet. If you're interested in that, I will leave the link below and you can just click on that. And I think that if it's your first time to do this or any of them, because they have so many kits, guys, that you don't have to actually do this one. You can do the Hook and Needle Kit Club, the blanket, anything you want. But I think on your first one right now, it's 50% off your first order. So that's pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. It says, in the fight, the godly may trip 7 times, but they will get up again. But one disaster is enough to overflow the wicked. Proverbs 24:16. Mighty God, you are the sustainer of every living thing. I have partnered my life with yours. You have every right to my heart. I ask that you keep me close to you in the struggles of day-to-day life. I am not so foolish as to believe that the mundane doesn't matter. When I trip up, I need your help to get back up. You don't leave me when I need you. I know you aren't going to desert me when I call out for help. Thank you for your faithful love that keeps me close and safe. You never give up on me, and I won't give up on you. Today, as I grab hold of the grace you so willingly give, would you make space for your miracles to happen? I know nothing is impossible with you. I trust you, and I eagerly await the ways you will show up as I look for you. What keeps you getting up when you fall? Well, God does. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. that's all that I have for this video. Just, guys, remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.